it was a simple trade for approximately 6 hours. Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share a trade I took on Euro USD for approximately 6 hours. This was the trade. Please make sure to like and subscribe this video so I get some motivation to make more videos like this. So let's break down this trade. So as you can see, during the London Open, the price took out the high of the Asia and then it came down and break down the low. I was expecting price to go back high again. The reason being, you can see this M5 structure was not tapped in. It was missed by just like half a pip. So I was waiting for price to come down, tap into this and give me the confluences I need. I also took a sell during the London Open and it was approximately 5 hour trade, and I'm not going to break down this trade because this was a bit advanced entry. So for now let's stick to this trade. So as soon as the price came in, tapped in to this POI, it gave us a POS to the upside right here, and I did not enter right here. I was waiting for the New York Open. So during the New York Open, I do not trade in between the New York and London Open. So during the New York Open, you can see this liquidity resting right above our POI. So this was the M5 POI. It was a simple trade for approximately 6 hours. So that is it from me today, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video so I can make more videos for you in the near future. Thank you.